Have you ever had one of those trips where you swear you'll stay healthy, and 2 days later, you're living off airplane snacks, workouts are non existent, your sleep schedule is completely wrecked? Yeah, that's why I'm making this video. I have a ton of trips coming up and people visiting, and I realize this keeps happening. My healthy habits just crumble when life gets busy or unpredictable. I love my routines, they make me feel so good, so much more productive. But staying consistent has been a challenge with my irregular schedule. So I did some digging, and what I found, I think, is game changing. Whether you're traveling for work or on vacation or just have a busy life, these tips will help you stay on track without sacrificing the fun. Let's break it down. First off, we have to understand why it's so hard to keep up with the habits when we're on the go. What I found is our brain loves patterns and habits thrives on cues. Like having your water bottle beside your bed triggers hydrating first thing in the morning. But when we travel, our environmental cues, the things that signal our brain it's time for a habit, get messed up. And of course, stress makes it worse. Stress triggers old habits, not new ones. So that's why if you're stressed when you travel or when you have guests staying over, your old habits kick in. Comfort eating, skipping habits, binge watching shows. I know this sounds familiar. Plus, if you're traveling far, jet lag messes up with your circadian rhythm, which is your internal clock. And this affects your hunger, your energy, everything. So the odds are against us. But not to worry, these are science backed solutions for us to start today. First one is we have to anchor our healthy habits to things we will always do, even on vacation, like brushing our teeth. For instance, I chose to do my affirmations while doing my skincare because this is something I will always do, even on vacation, no matter where I am. That way, our brain knows, okay, we're still doing this. Second tip is rebuilding our environment on the go. If, as they say, our environment shapes our behavior, then we need to rebuild it. So if you're traveling, pack up your water bottle, your workout accessories, healthy snacks. Having these things with you will trigger healthier choices. I've personally invested in a travel yoga mat to keep doing my yoga and meditation on the go. I also always have my water bottle with me, so I know I need to hydrate first thing in the morning and throughout the day. I will also pack healthy snacks for flights or train rides because I will not be tempted by airport snacks. I mean, if the healthy option is in my bag and the vending machine is a trek away, I know what option I will choose. Third hack is using the if then planning, or what psychologists call implementation intentions. You're basically creating a plan of what to do when a certain situation triggering bad behavior arises. It's like giving your brain a cheat sheet for those cases. So if X happens, I will do Y. These are a few of my if then plans. If I'm waiting at the airport, then I will walk instead of sitting down. If there is no gym at the hotel, then I will do a short yoga session in the room. If we have to eat at restaurants, then I will practice mindful eating there. If someone is staying over, then I will wake up earlier to have time for myself. If I get hungry in the plane, then I will eat my healthy snacks. The research shows that this strategy increases your chances of following through because your brain doesn't waste energy deciding, it can just act. Tip 4 is shrink your habits, don't skip them. This is the trap. I don't have 30 minutes, so why bother? And I keep falling for this over and over again. But like the if then planning taught us, if you don't have 30 minutes, then prioritize mini versions of your routines. So instead of a 30-minute yoga video, I will just do a 5-minute one. Instead of a 15-minute meditation, I will choose to do 1 minute of breath work. Instead of a whole journaling session, I will just do one thing I'm grateful for. These small actions keep the habit alive, and science says consistency over intensity. So just as examples, here is how I decided to shrink my morning routine and my nighttime routine. Tip 5, visualize both success and the temptation option. So take the time to visualize both outcomes. For example, if you do the workout or if you skip it, how will you feel then? When you're contrasting these two options in your head mentally, it will help you make the better choice. Because you can feel the difference before making the choice, it will boost your motivation. So, traveling and being busy doesn't have to mean letting our habits fall apart. The key with all those tips is really to plan ahead. if you think about it. And I keep repeating this in my videos, but progress over perfection. Even the smallest action will make a difference. If you found this video useful, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments your go-to travel habit hack so we can all keep learning about this. Don't forget to subscribe for more content about my self-improvement journey. I'll see you in the next one.